So guys, what is the most valuable hand tool that you can own? In my personal opinion, it's going to be pliers. There's a ton of different kinds of pliers that you can actually use depending on what you're doing, whether you're working on a car, whether you're working, underneath a sink and you're working on plumbing. I mean, there's just a ton of different types of pliers. So what do you get the dad who has everything already, who already has a bunch of those pliers? You don't know which ones he's going to need. Why not get him a gifted set of pliers that has pretty much every possible kind of pliers he's going to need in one box? It's going to come already boxed, gifted, ready to go. So all you have to do is wrap it. And if you don't want to wrap it, it looks fantastic just like this. But let's take a look at what you actually get in this kit. Now, every one of these tools are going to be either the CRV or carbon steel. So they're very durable depending on the type of pliers that is in here. They're also going to give you a holder to help hold these pliers. So if he has a workbench or whatever in his shop, he can simply take this out and set it on the actual bench, and it's got non-slide or non-skid arms on them so that it doesn't end up all over the place. He can set it there and then he can put his pliers on there. So let's take a look at what we got. We have all of these, we have all of these, and we have these. So you've got a lot. So let's see what they actually are. Let's start with the open end adjustable wrench. Now, this isn't necessarily a plier. It's the one in here that's actually more of a wrench, but it handles nuts that these may be slipping on. So I like the fact they give us that. Now, it simply just opens this way, and you put it on the nut, and you actually will tighten. So very self-explanatory. Let's put that in our holder, and let's go to the next one. Now, these are going to be the traditional pliers that you see all the time that people use. You can pop this open to grab the larger. Very nicely made. And one of the things you're going to notice is all of these, even the open-end adjustable, have very nice handles that are easy to hold on to in the bigger units. Now we're going to have some more precision ones that have different types of handles. So that is going to be our regular. Now this is going to be the slip joint type. So it can actually handle much larger bolts or nuts. And you'll use this one a lot in plumbing. Now let's go ahead and see though how big this will handle. So that's fully open in the largest position. And let's measure it. We are looking at 1 inch. So this will handle up to 1 inch nut. So that's pretty good size. All right, so we're going to put that in our holder. And then we're going to come over to here. These are what I call lineman pliers. They're really great for working in electrical. They have a flat nose and they have cutting dikes on the actual inside. Very nice handles. So you can actually take your wires and twist these and before you put on your wire caps. The linemen use these when they go up and they're working on the power poles at the street. Another very common type of plier. Now let's look at these down here. These are going to be cutting diagonals, meaning that on each side they have a cutter and they're made to be able to get in tight places and cut wire and things like that. So very nice pliers there. Now we have a smaller pair of just traditional pliers, just like our big ones that we had right here. So we have a small pair and a big pair that are pretty well identical. Let's see if this one will actually open. Yeah, it does. So it'll actually take a larger nut or bolt as well. So we put those in there. So technically I have 2 larger sets of pliers left before we get into the small ones. This is going to be needle nose. Needle nose have the little tight needle at the end, and that Hence, that's why they get the name. And you can reach in a side of things and grab things with these. I use these a lot on electrical as well. These also have some cutting little diagonals at the bottom as well. So that is that one. Now, as far as the pretty handles, these really big, nice red and blue handles, that's all of those. But we have one more large set of pliers here, and these are going to be locking. A lot of people call these vice scripts because that was a company that started them, and they would clamp like a vice. You adjust this side here. You have a little release mechanism, the blue, and you clamp down. And it really helps on things that are hard to get loose. So these are very important. You'll use these quite a bit. So we put that in there. Now, the last ones that we have here are basically going to be repeats of the big ones, but these are going to be for fine work, little bitty delicate things. Delicate needle nose work that I'm actually going to have to get in and grab things. Here, this is another needle nose, but it's a very unique needle nose. If I can get the plastic off, you'll notice they're bent. So I can get into areas that it has a curve where I may not be able to get these into. I can get past it with these. So I have those. So we're going to set those there. And I have two more left. So let's go ahead and open these. Now these are going to be another needle nose, but these are slightly different than the long ones here. The long ones are smooth on the inside. They have no gripping, grippers, and they're very long and pointed. These are going to be a little shorter, a little stubbier, and they have little gripping teeth on them as well. And this one also has some little cutting diagonals on it so it can cut fine wires, where this one has no cutter at all. This is just for reaching in and grabbing or manipulating things far away down some type of an orifice that you can't get regular pliers down. This one's a little more versatile. All right, so we have those. We have one left, and that is going to be a little bitty pair of diagonal cutters. So we have our other diagonals, which are right here, which are for larger wires and larger things that we're trying to cut. And then for delicate work, pull that little plastic off. Delicate work, we have the little small ones. So I can get in and make cuts on little bitty wires. So overall, guys, it's a very nice and complete set. So guys, if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because it's very complete. I love the holder. You can see it doesn't slide around. I have to really push. But it has pretty much everything you're going to need to get started. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set today. We'll see you guys on the next review.